Alright guys, I promised you another DIR. It's here, and we're going to talk about this cool thing, better than sliced bread. From Poseidon Deepwater Outdoors. In our last DIR video, we talked about a improvement on our wing and back plate, and that improvement actually came in mail recently, and we get to put it onto the back plate. Now, they come in pairs. This is what they look like. Okay, they're made of marine grade stainless steel, and they're sliders that go into the back plate, making your DIR harness completely adjustable. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to break down what the harness looks like now, then we're going to install them. Halfway I'll show you how they're installed, and then we'll show you what they are complete and why they're beneficial and why you might want to consider this if you have a back plate for a recreational rig, a travel rig, etc. So let's check it out. Alright guys, so this is the slider. If you look at the design, right, again, it's made of marine grade stainless steel. Okay, this flat part is in the back of the back plate. There is a set hole here, and I have seen them done two ways. One with a set screw in it that has a washer on both sides wedging it into place, and one that has a little strip of metal right on the front and the back with the plate wedged in between, and they use a rivet and they rivet it in there. And when I put this in, you'll see where it may be used. I'm not going to use them. I would like to maintain them as removable. So we're not going to set a retaining screw, but this is what they look like. So let's take a look at what the rig looks like now, and then what we're going to do to install them. So here is our point. This is where the point of installation is, okay? And if you look at the harness, now this is a one-piece DIR harness. The harness comes through, right? It's woven into the back plate, comes around, and I use a cinch that way, one of these keepers, right? It's a D-ring keeper, and that locks in the size for what am I doing there. If I don't have that, it's still a bit of a hassle to move it back and forth, right, behind this area. What we're going to do is we're going to eliminate that with this part, and this is the area where it's going to slip in. It's just going to slip in right into one of these grooves, and then that will be woven through here, and we'll be able to cinch it immediately. Just like it'll be super easy because it'll free glide on the, or free slide on this slider. Okay? See? That's it installed. And see how easy now your harness glides through that point? So it'll be easy for you to cinch or get the right fit for whatever wetsuit, you know, whether you're in a wetsuit or dry suit or whatever it is. There's a lot of room for adjustment on that, and you can cinch it, right? And it's always nice and tight and comfortable. So let's go ahead and put the other one on, complete this, and this one is done. So this is what they look like, both installed, right? So as you can see, you've got an easy slide and adjustment here. You can adjust it cinching on your back, getting it off. Now you're not gonna have to sprawl and fight your rig getting on it and in and out of it. These things are cool. Now, let me explain the usages and the applications relevant to us at Poseidon. Now, I know that there's going to be a section of the dive community out there right now that is screaming in the back of their mind, it's not DIR, it's a point of failure. Look guys, relax. You know, scuba diving, both on the recreational and the tech side, evolved. It's continuing to evolve. Theories, ideologies, philosophies, concepts, they evolve as well. For us, we use these. I use them on my personal recreational rig. I do a lot of bounce. I need to get in the water quick, whatever. I don't use them on my tech rig. And I also use them on our rental gear. We use back plates and wings on our rental gear. This allows students of various sizes to quickly get into and out of the back plate and wing. It's got its application. It's got a good point of sale for it, and they're slick. Cool as, you know, I mean, I'm excited. I've been looking forward to these things for about 2 weeks, so I'm glad I finally get to make this video for you guys. I'm also kind of glad I was able to first do the back plate and show you the regular style, and now the sliders as well. But look, be open-minded with these new small technologies that are coming out to improve our diving, make it more comfortable, make it more us. There's no one set point. It is important to standardize for safety, yes, but it's not cookie cutter. You know, we have different sizes, different needs, different personalities. This rig alone has variations on it so that I can use it in underwater photography. I can use it in some of the dive scientific research diving that we do. I can use this, you know, single tank. I can use larger single tanks and do decos, you know, using a 131 cubic foot or something like that with an H, and I can still keep my Hogarthian, how, you know, English or British, and, you know, work from there. But it's adaptable, and this just for me makes things a lot easier. You know, I have bad shoulders. Getting in and out sometimes, especially in cold waters, makes it difficult. This is going to make it a lot easier to get in and out of the rig without having to put the clips on the harnesses. I don't really particularly like the clips. I know that they're well made. I know the probability of them breaking or failing in a dive is very, very rare, but it's just one less thing I don't have to worry about if I don't use it. My teaching rig does have clips. It is the XD Zeos, and you know, I accepted on that, but this one is a travel all around. You know, this is my Dodge pickup truck right here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one and got something out of it. I hope it's something that opens your mind to how you can really, you know, tailor your backplate to your own taste and to your own needs. I'm Don for Poseidon Deepwater Outdoors. Until next time, peace.